Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Dominique, aka Supernatural, and I'm back with another video. You guys requested that you wanted to see some hairstyles on my locks. I am 9 months in, I believe 9 months in my lock journey, my micro lock journey. And I'm excited because I'm going to be doing some of those. I don't know the correct term for it because there's a lot of terms floating around the internet and the social media period, and I'm going to be styling my hair in it. And, you know, you seen that hairstyle, you braid your hair down and then I think they're called miracle knots. So let me show you the hair I'm going to be using from ISEE. I was so excited when I seen this ISEE Hair. So they sent me about, let's count how many. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 packs of hair. Those smell good. I'm about to get down with the nitty gritty. I can't wait. I'm going, spring break is coming up. And me and Sydney got some plans, so I'm going to be doing my hair for spring break, so I won't have to worry about it. And my hair is freshly washed, as you can see. I'm not going to retie it. I'm talking too much, y'all, but I'm not going to retie because I just did a retie about 4 weeks ago, and I like to do my reties every 6 to 8 weeks. So I'm not doing a retie. Don't do your reties too often on your locks, okay? I like to do styles on my hair, but I still care about the integrity of my natural hair. I plan on having these locks for about 10 years. That's my plan. For about 10 years. So I want to take care of my locks the best way I know how, and I don't want to put extra tension on my hair, okay? So let's get into it. I'm gonna wet my hair. Do not do not do anything to your hair to your locks without wetting them first. Wet them down. I'm so excited about this hairstyle. I might even put a little makeup on, y'all. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is plait your hair. Get your braids, and I'm so excited because with locks, my hair is already parted. It already eats down with the parts, okay? Already parted. Just find the middle part. Part your hair. You want to get the section, so just like you're doing regular braids. And since I have 325 locks, I'm going to braid my hair down. I don't know how many braids I'm going to have. I'm just going to take some and I'm going to braid them. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I'm going to take 8. You guys, remember her? Remember her? Remember this baddie, this bad gal about girls? The girls used to love this. I'm bringing her back. I'm bringing her back. Because nothing was wrong with her. Nothing. Nothing at all. Not one thing. Look how fun. And I'm just going to attach them right at the bottom of my hair. So I'm going to braid down and then I'm going to attach it to, I'm going to use this end as the third. Remember how I taught y'all how to braid? Remember that? Go back to those videos. I would take the braiding hair. It would be 1, 2, and then your hair, and it would be the third. And then you just start braiding down. And that is exactly what I'm going to do here. This makes it so easy to do. And you can save them. Save. Oh. There's about 36 of these, if I count it right. About 34 to 36. So before I forget, it's 16 inches. And it's the Kinky. It's the Kinky girl. I love a Kinky girl. I mean, that didn't sound right. Kinky curly hair. I have kinky curly hair. So, that's why I love it. Can't wait. Okay, I'll be back. So let's get into it. Yes, I have 39 plaits in my hair, individual braids. For those of you who say, what is a plait? I'm old school. My grandmother used to call them plaits, but they're individual braids or box braids or whatever you want to call them. I have 39, and I didn't braid them all the way down because I figured I want my hair to be fluffy. I want this to be a fluffy miracle knot look. So I'm going to add 3 pieces of this kinky curly crochet braid hair. Miracle knots, but make it fluffy. I'm just going to take one kinky curly. I like to grip mine just like this in between my fingers because I want it to be fluffy. And the reason why I'm okay with adding more fluffiness to this hairstyle is because this is 100% human hair. You know, if you try to add a lot of synthetic hair to your miracle knot hairstyle, it's not going to work. It'll work, but not for a long time. 100% human hair, you treat it like your hair. You mousse it, you water it down, you can wash it, all the good things, all the things you can do to this hair you can't do to Synthetica. She's just not that girl. So I'm braiding down and I'm just adding the pre-looped hair. I love that it's pre-looped and it has that little feather string, whatever you want to call it. I love that they upgraded the crochet hair because you can cut this actually. You can cut it into 2 and you still have 2 pieces left and it still can be reusable, which is always a plus. So as you can see, I'm not using a crochet hook to end my miracle knots. I'm getting a little bit of that jam, that girl that is still that girl, and I don't know why we stopped using her, but I'm just going to braid my hair all the way down at the end. There's no need for a knot, especially for the girls who like to protect their hair. You don't have to put knots in them at all. Miracle knots is just a hairstyle name. Okay, now look at that. It's 3 pieces at the bottom. That looks so good. Miracle knots came crushing the scene because it's for the girlies who don't want to spend so much time on their hair. It's just basically using your own hair, your natural hair, which I'm using my locks, and then you're adding this feather crochet hair into it. It looks 100% natural. It looks like your natural hair. When I see the girlies that don't have locks and they fill it up, it looks like their hair, or it looks like a wig, and they do like a flip over method. It looks like it's growing out of the scalp, and I love that for them. And also, you don't have to use braiding hair. Some people, you were braiding it down with braiding hair because you wanted it to be longer, so it took more time. With this, you don't have to do that. You just use your regular hair. And the hair I'm using is 16 inches, and they have different lengths and textures. So go ahead and check out the description box and hit that link inside to see everything that ISEE Hair offers. And the quality is so good. That's the end of the hair. No knots in sight because I'm not doing knots, but I am doing the miracle knot hairstyle just in a safer way. So I finished every individual hair, adding the pieces on. It's the next day, and y'all, when they say locks make you tender-headed, they really do. So always be careful and gentle with your locks. Look at that. It looks so good. I could stop here. I really could stop here because it looks so good. I could pull my hair up. I can move my hair all around, put it up in a ponytail because this is my hair and I just added hair to the ends. It looks so good. Look at it. So cute, so natural. Yeah, it's mine. You trying to clock my tea, but there's no tea to clock. But y'all, I'm going to take it a step further and I'm going to actually add the knots to my hair. I know I talk mad trash about the knots, but I'm going to do it safely and gently because these are locks. And with the crochet, the pre-looped feather crochet hair, you can just cut the hair. You can cut it off. So it's going to unravel no matter what. So I had 2 packs of hair left, meaning I used 3 packs of hair at the ends of my hair. So I'm going to use 1 more. I thought I was going to use 2, but I used 1. When I tell you that crochet hook is hard to use, this is a real, like, you're crocheting yarn and things. It's so hard to use. I learned how to use it. If I had the regular crochet needle, I would have been done in seconds. It would have made this hairstyle so easy, so simple, but I had a hard time with this crochet hook. So I'm asking companies to send the other crochet needles, the universal green and pink ones. I used to have a bunch of them, but I guess when I got my locks and Sydney got her locks, I threw them away. Or Sydney could have threw them away, which is my daughter. She could have threw them away because she never liked them ever. So she might have went behind my back and threw them away herself, but I need them now. I need them. So you can add just as much as you want or not much at all, and look at the difference. I love the fluffy look, and I really tried to put all that I can in my hair, but I have to remember that I have locks and I need to be extra careful. And this is my first time ever doing a style like this, so I wanted to be extra careful. But again, I'm just a girl and I like what I like, so I added the amount that I think my hair can take. And in some areas like the back, I could have added a lot more, but it's going to be hot. And it's going to be spring break. I live in Texas. It's already back to 80 degrees now. The locks that I have in my hair now, my natural hair, they cause me to become so hot. So I know if I added all 5 packs of that hair onto my head, I would be a ball of heat. But the installation is easy. You just stick the crochet needle through the hair, loop the crochet hair, and then I'm going to knot it, but it's like a loose knot. It's not like a tight knot that you can't get out, breaking your hair off. No, make sure you be careful, and it's a loose knot. And here it is. It looks so beautiful. It's so lightweight too. It doesn't feel like my head is heavy. I can swing my head from side to side without making my neck hurt. Nothing is being weighed down. When I put the water on it, it still felt good. But I thank you guys for watching. Like I said, ISEE Hair is tea. They did their thing with this hair. As always, I thank you guys for watching. Go check that link in the description box and hit the subscribe button so you can see more of these videos. And I will see you later. Bye.